In this video, I will show you how to set song as your ringtone on Android phone. To get started, go ahead and open your music application on your Android device. You cannot do this actually using Spotify, so you'll need to actually download that specific song that you want to use as your ringtone into your device. So in here, go ahead and select the song that you want to use as your ringtone. Click on the top right corner of your screen and then select ringtone editor from here, and that will redirect you into this section. So in here you can actually set the length of your ringtone. You can play it to be able to listen to it before you actually set it as your ringtone. So you can actually set it into how long you prefer it to be, and click on that set as ringtone button to set that as your ringtone. And that is how you can simply set a song as your ringtone on an Android phone. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.